Yes, good morning, sir. Once again, I'm Muhindo Tsongo Godfrey, reg number 2019/BIT/072/PS. I'm here to present my project in software engineering. I can open up then my PowerPoint. So this is part of introduction. Software engineering mid-semester take-home test. Deadline is today, Monday, 13th September 2021. Introduction. Problem of transport in Ivanda Kasese. The biggest problem at my place, Ivanda Chanya Kasese, Uganda, in particular, after proper research, indicates that the area and the entire district of Kasese faces a problem of accessing the vehicles such as cars, motorcycles, to mention but a few, especially during the night in case of emergencies. Let's say where there is a pregnant mother or there are anybody sick. If it is during the night whereby each and every driver has gone to his home, it is very hard to access the car that can help you to take your patient to the hospital during that same night in case you failure to have the contact of the person. So I saw it as a big problem here. In my software project, due to the problem projection, I decided to develop transport management system software for this particular district of Kasese to improve on transport in an area. With the restrictions and area identifier, it shall automatically work within the district. This software of mine particularly is working in a specific district, that is Kasese. It is restricted to Kasese district where this problem is on a high rate. After seeing the working mode of it, it shall go on being transferred to other places, but per now it will be restricted to only Kasese district, to serve people in Kasese district, to serve clients within the district, so it cannot work outside the district. So my Gantt chart, I have my customer. There is a customer login details. A customer will be required to have account, so that in case you don't have account, under account login, there is a sign up method whereby a customer will be required to fill in the gaps by putting in the names, putting in the phone, the address, and so on. Also, the login details will be captured for the taxi driver or boda-bodas riders, whereby a driver will always be required to also fill in, to put in the name, so to capture his details, the type of the vehicle that he is using, especially if it is a car, or if it is a motorcycle, we know which number plate are you carrying, which number plate of the car, so that all details will be fed in there, so that in case you log in, it already displays you your profile picture, the car you use, the place that you in, that you registered the stage. Then we shall have the request taxi border. Then you shall see how to find. I can say here we shall see here. Now here we shall see find to find the customer, find the customer's location. Then after the customer's destination, we immediately, now this one shows that when a customer log into the system, it will automatically find the customer's location by the use of GPS. After, it will ask you questions. Where do you want to go? In here, you will be asking the customer, where do you want to go? Then after explanation, after typing in where you want to go, my system will verify whether that place is found within Kasese district. If it finds that, now we shall have the customer destination. Now here we shall find out the cost to the destination. By the system itself, it shall calculate now from the place, from the time where you are to the time, to the place of destination. After, it will display for you a message telling you, are you willing to pay this cost? If it is like 2K from maybe from Ibandachanya town Castle to Bugoye, or from Kasese town to Mbarara, if it is 2K, are you willing to pay this 2K? If you click yes, now it tells you how are you going to use. Are you going to use mobile money, so mobile banking, or you are going to use manual? So for manual, now you select. If you have your money on phone, you can as well use the network. Per now shall provide for MTN and also for Airtel. So the post journey to available drivers. Now the system will see to near your place who is there among the people that who had been registered. Those are the drivers and the taxi drivers. Now we shall find out the available taxi stroke driver or border which is near you. Then after getting the person who is very close to you, the driver shall press the button of drive accepted to take you. Immediately the customer rating of driver will have a rate driver. Then of course the rate driver will come after the payment of the customer, because this system is designed in a way that it communicates immediately when you pay. When a customer, the payment from a customer, when a customer pays, automatically it goes, especially if you are using the mobile money and the Airtel money, it will go directly to the bank, and the bank will immediately release a receipt both to the driver and to the customer as a confirmatory test that somebody has paid. And we remember that this project of mine here, the bank can serve more than 2 clients at once. So now as we proceed, we can go on. So the next slide. So we can go to another. So the hypothesis of transport management system software, it will quicken the individual transport models. Here I mean that the transport will be fair, especially to the people in the community, and also to the drivers. It will save lives of many in case of emergencies like the sick people or pregnant mothers during the night, because accessment of vehicles and boda-bodas will be within the district and will serve a number of people. It will create employment opportunities to both car drivers and boda-boda riders, where they will be sure of customers, because anytime for them they will always be working online. There will be accessibility of vehicles on time and place needed. In case now these are the requirements. A customer will be required to download the software and installed on the mobile device or any electronic gadget such as laptops, tablets, to mention but a few. A customer will be required to create account and be registered. Cars and motorcycles will be registered and keep track of their location. So see that the routers routes and stages will be marked by the use of GPS and Google map. Then after, drivers will be required to register and create account in order to simplify the process and accessibility. Payment will be made accessibly after delivery or at the start of the journey through the simplified transaction process to the bank via mobile banking. So there is no need of physical movement to the bank. If you have your money on mobile money, it shall always be the app. This system will require you to automatically use mobile money. Eventually the transactions are being carried out. So Google Map also will be used also in the areas that are not demarcated. We shall first also ensure that all areas are demarcated, so that within the district, by the use of physical reaching on the ground, or can help by the Google, and also try to locate up, so in case areas to be covered. And this because that's why I say it is purposely going to work up in Kasese district. Payment acknowledgement will be sent to be near to both the nearby driver and the customer by bank. So my use case diagram, this is how it is, whereby a customer, only one customer can log in the system, and a customer, it means that a customer can log into the system now once at a time. Like sometimes if you have logged in here, you cannot log in using another device and use the same customer. It will restrict you. It will tell you, please, you are already active, unless if you are not the one and you want to use another account. It also says that one customer can be served by a number of drivers, in case if the motorcycles are close on to you, or the vehicles. Now if they are very close to you, a customer can even choose the best. Say, because all of them they are here, I can go by this. So for us to have no restrictions. The line is others are not shown below the screen there, but now it shows you that the bank can handle a variety of clients at the same time. So that is the end of my presentation. Once again, I'm Muhindo Tsongo Godfrey. BIT, the reg number is 2019 stock BIT stock 072 stroke PS. May God bless you, sir. May God continue to bless everyone that is watching this. Thanks be to God. Amen. In case of any question, yeah.